Let's now combine that to create another technique here where you overlap the petals. So for the inside one, I want to have 7 beads in my center. 3, 6, 7, or about half an inch. Okay, you would be right with either. And you're going to loop that like we did at the beginning. Okay. And you pinch so you don't have wire showing, and twist twice. For this one, we want 3 rows of wraparound. So three rows of wraparound. So 1, 2. So this is the first time we are doing the 3 rows in this course. 3. And for the inside of my rows, I want 3 rows, 3 petals. So I have to do 2 more. So again, same number, or half an inch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.